Focus is better. Oh, that's creepy as fuck. Alright, I can fix that. Oh, Jesus, I made it worse. It's looking at me. Should I name him? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have a quick little project for you. I'm going to take this dollar store paper bag that I got groceries in the other day, and I'm going to make it into a gift bag. So join me at my craft table. We're going to need our bag, craft glue or a hot glue gun, either works, scissors, and old Christmas cards. I think everyone's got a small stack of them somewhere. Now the print is on both sides, so we're going to do both sides. Depending on the print on your bag, you might be able to cover the whole thing up with one single card. I'm going to attempt to make a collage of different things. But I am not a scrapbooker. This is new territory for me. So originally, I divided my cards into horizontal and vertical. And then I started cutting out pictures I thought would look super cute together. Not really knowing what I was doing, but knowing I would get there eventually. This is also a great time to make a list of all the people you have to send Christmas cards to this year. Eventually, I settled with puppies for one side, and on the back of one of the puppy cards was another little puppy. So he's going to go down the corner there to cover up that little Facebook logo thing. And I also have a variety of craft glitters that have been gifted to me over the years. Now while I've got this side up, I'm just going to design the other side as well. After some experimenting with what I've already cut out, I went with a Christmas tree surrounded by snowmen, while Santa creeps around in the bottom corner there. Hot glue everything into place. Flip and do the other side. One of the puppies has sparkly glitter in his hat, so I gave the other puppies sparkly glitter too, so they're a little bit more matchy-matchy. Then I thought it needed something extra, so I busted out the white craft paint and dotted on some dots. Over and Santa! I'm sorry, Santa! Well, looks like I'm getting coal for Christmas. For this one, I decided to put silver glitter all along the bottoms of the snowman so it looks like they're all standing in the same snowy field. Then I sprinkled on some gold glitter to make it look like a starry night sky. Then I got carried away and added glitter to their hats and scarves. And there we go. Add a cute little bow, and you're all done. If you don't have white craft paint, you can also take the envelopes you just cut up, the white side, and cut it into tiny pieces and just glue it on. And that'll give you the same effect. Alright, that's it for this little one. I hope that helps you with a couple ideas. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!